Hey everyone, so today I wanted to do a review on the Huda Beauty Melted Shadows. I did a first impression video with this, which I will link in the cards and down below, but I wanted to give you guys my final thoughts. I've used every shade that I own. I personally own 4 of the 5 shades. The lightest shade I just didn't really have a reason for getting. I have 4 of the shades I can review. Now I want to go through the pros and the cons because I personally think that the pros outweigh the cons, but it really depends on what kind of person you are. These are super easy and quick to use. Like literally it is like a 1-minute eye look and you're good to go. When I saw Huda talking about them and how fast and easy they were, I was like, okay, sure, whatever you say. But she's honestly right. Like, these are super fast and easy to use. It's literally like one and done, blend, and then you're good to go. They also blend really effortlessly. 2 out of the 4 shades that I use literally blend like nothing. They blend as though they blend themselves. They're amazing. Another pro is the colors. I do appreciate that you get kind of like corresponding colors through the mattes and the metals. As for cons, I personally think the price is a bit of a con. They're $25 US a piece or 32 Canadian, and I think that that is a little overpriced, but that is like a Huda price point, so I personally don't mind. That being said, I couldn't afford all the shades at once either, so it's like it really depends on if you can afford that price point or not. Another con, this purple shade is a con in itself, specifically the matte in Silk Bomber. It just didn't want to blend. It would get caught in my crease and then it wouldn't blend out properly, and I had to work on it quite a bit and I still wasn't happy with the result. The shimmer it creases worse, so I'm not exactly a fan of this one, but you guys know I love purple, so I'm gonna be keeping it. But yeah, the purple is a con for me. It doesn't blend nearly as well as all the other shades. The same goes for this red. It is so beautiful and it blends better than the purple, but unfortunately it still isn't as simple as the lighter shades, which I think makes sense because I can definitely see darker shades being harder to blend out. But it's just a little disappointing because I want them all to be just as easy. But luckily this is definitely better than the purple. The metallic is the same as the lighter shades, and the matte is just a little bit harder to blend out, but in the end you can get it to blend out pretty good. The metal shades on all of them do crease sort of easily. I personally use the metals as eyeliner rather than all over the lid, because the one time I did that, oh honey, it was a mess. Like, it was so creasy. Like, I'll insert a photo here. I kind of made it so it would work, but you can kind of see where it didn't blend out at all. I think if you want to do like a cut crease, it'd be maybe okay, but if you don't like things going into the creases in your eyes, then the metals are not for you. I personally don't mind, but I do prefer how they look as an eyeliner rather than just all over the lid. How I personally use these is I would blend the matte shade into the crease and all over the eye and then go in with the metal as a liner. Overall, I definitely think that this is a product that if you can afford the price, that it is good. I just think that the purple shade is a no-go. As I said, I'm keeping mine because I love purple and I'm gonna make this work, but personally, I've seen other people have problems with the purple as well, so it's really up to you what you think of the shades and if the price point is good for you. I'm happy with them and I'm excited to see if she releases more shades. These are permanent. I do really enjoy these and I do enjoy how easy they are. Today I used a bubble bath, which is the matte in my crease, and this is all I have on my lid and my crease. And then I have the Lit Cosmetics Goober Grape glitter as liner. I do enjoy these and I definitely think that this is a product that I'd pick up one to start and see how you like it, but personally I'd start with the lighter shades and then delve into the other ones. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this review helped you out. Please remember to like and subscribe. Comment down below any videos you want me to do and I will definitely get around to doing them. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one.